Today we'll be looking at another important topic, importance of group discussion in physics. Group discussion is very key in the study of physics. Very, very key. So, if maybe the students form a group of one, two, three, four, five students to be studying physics, it goes a long way to help their understanding. They say two good heads are better than one. So by the time you come together, maybe after your lecture periods or classes, you say 2 hours, let's come together and discuss. We share ideas. Sometimes it could be an assignment. You bring your ideas together on how you can solve that particular problem. Sometimes it could be a topic that is a little bit complex. By the time A brings his or her idea, B brings, C brings, it brings a clearer picture of what the topic is all about. So number one, conceptual understanding. If you are together, you discuss those complex concepts. You bring your ideas together, and that brings a better understanding of that topic. Number two, critical thinking. Group discussion fosters critical thinking. There are some of the assumptions, you look at them together. Sometimes you question them, you argue, you evaluate, and it helps. So you think, I'm thinking that A is thinking that this could be approached this way, B is thinking this. So by the time you collect these ideas, that is what we mean by critical thinking. Then number three, we also have collaborative learning. You share different ideas on issues, on topics, on approach. Sometimes it could be an assignment that you are finding, maybe an individual is finding it difficult to approach. By the time you come together and collaborate, you now pull the ideas together and that problem will be solved. So that is what we mean by collaborative learning. Number four, improve communication skill. Someone will be asking, this one, is it English language? What does communication skill has to do with this? By the time you are discussing, you improve your ability to understand some of the difficult concepts. There are some of the difficult concepts in physics. There are some of the terms that are not so common. Maybe let me give you an instance. You are talking about relative density. Relative density and specific gravity, they are the same. But someone may be hearing that for the first time. So by the time you are discussing and another person understands that relative density is the same thing as specific gravity, it goes a long way in helping others or other students that maybe didn't have such idea. So it improves communication skill. Number 4, broader perspective. Different people coming together with different ideas. This will improve your ability to solve problems, your ability to understand the topic or topics. It broadens your horizon. What you don't understand, another person will understand. By the time you discuss this together, it broadens your perspective. Number 6, we talk about motivation and engagement. Working together in a group brings about motivation and engagement. What do we mean by this? What Mr. A cannot do, B can do. By the time he or she that could not do that is able to do it, is motivated. Is motivated. One thing about this course is that when you solve and you get it, you become more excited, become motivated. So group discussion can also motivate the students. So I encourage students to come together to discuss physics, and with that you'll be able to love physics. So to recap, 1, conceptual understanding. When you are doing group discussion, it brings about conceptual understanding. 2, critical thinking. 3, collaborative learning. 4, improve communication skill. 5, broader perspective. 6, motivation and engagement. Thank you.